guys, it's Scarlett at Build Across, and today I want to show you how to paint this Santa Claus paint by line. I will be using all Dixie Belle chalk paint colors, and I'm going in first with the color Born Red to base coat Santa's hat and outfit. I'm going in now with putty for his face, and then I'll go in with cotton for his beard and all the fluff on his hat and outfit. Following that, I'm going to go in with soft pink for his cheeks. And again, like I said, this is all Dixie Belle chalk paint, and you can purchase the paint, the brushes I use, and the cutout that I'm painting all on buildacross.com. Following this, I'm going to finish off my base coating by going in and painting his shoes and mittens in black. Also, I'll paint his belt black, and then I'm going to paint the belt buckle in just some gold paint. Once I'm done base coating him, I'm going to allow him to dry completely. Just going in, finishing off his belt buckle here. And then once he's dry, I'm going to swap my paintbrush for a Sharpie brushstroke marker. And that marker makes outlining so much easier. But of course, if you wanted to go in with a paintbrush, you absolutely could. So I'm just going to outline everything with that marker. And then I'll finish it off by going in with the color Cotton, highlighting everything that's not white with a number 4 round. And then I'll swap to Savannah Mist to highlight everything that is white. And then that will complete my project. So I really hope you guys enjoy this video and have a wonderful day.